Have you ever wondered, what exactly is artificial intelligence, AI? You've heard the term everywhere, from movies to news headlines to everyday conversations. But what does AI really mean? And what can it actually do? Today we're breaking down AI, making it simple and clear for everyone to understand. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the basics of AI, but also get a glimpse into how AI can boost self-improvement, enhance productivity, and even impact how we interact with the world. So if you're ready to become an AI master, let's jump right in. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is essentially when machines try to mimic human intelligence. You might think of it as technology trying to do what our brains do: learn, problem solve, make decisions, or even recognize faces and voices. But what sets AI apart from traditional programming? Think of a calculator. It's programmed to solve math problems when you give it instructions. But if that calculator was powered by AI, it wouldn't just wait for your commands. It could figure out complex math patterns, learn from previous calculations, and even suggest shortcuts. AI learns and adapts based on the data it's exposed to. And that brings us to our first key idea about AI. It's constantly evolving. Unlike traditional tech, AI isn't static, it learns from experience. It's like how we learn through practice, but in this case, the data it encounters helps it get smarter over time. Quick pause here. If you're excited to dig even deeper into AI and how it's transforming our daily lives, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more detailed videos coming your way on how to use AI in your lives, for self-improvement, and so much more. 2. Defining artificial intelligence. Let's break it down even further. AI can actually be divided into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Most of the AI around us today is called narrow AI or weak AI. But don't let the name fool you. Narrow AI is incredibly powerful. It's AI designed to do a specific task, like recognizing voices for your virtual assistant or suggesting new shows on your streaming service. This type of AI is limited in scope but can be highly advanced. Then we have general AI, which is more like what you see in movies. Imagine a machine that could do everything a human can do: learn, reason, even show empathy. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's because it is. General AI doesn't exist yet, but it's a big goal for AI researchers. To put it simply, think of narrow AI as a super efficient assistant specializing in one task, while general AI would be more like a human brain that can adapt to any situation. 3. How AI works. Machine learning basics. So how does AI actually learn and work? This is where terms like machine learning and neural networks come in. Don't worry, we're keeping this light. Machine learning is the most common type of AI, and it's pretty straightforward. Think of it like this. AI gets fed tons of data. Let's say you're training an AI to recognize cats. You show it thousands of pictures of cats, and it starts to learn the patterns. Over time, it can look at new photos and say, "Yep, that's a cat." And then there's deep learning, which is just a more advanced form of machine learning, designed to mimic the way our brains process information. It's powered by neural networks, which act like layers in our brain, each layer analyzing data bit by bit to make more complex decisions. 4. Applications of AI in daily life. So where do we see AI in action? Well, almost everywhere. Here are some cool examples of AI at work in everyday life. One of the most obvious examples is recommendation systems. Every time you get a suggested video on YouTube or a recommended playlist on Spotify, that's AI analyzing your behavior and predicting what you might enjoy next. It's all about enhancing your experience. Then there are virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa that respond to your voice commands. They understand language, answer questions, and even make life easier by setting reminders or giving weather updates. That's AI working to make your day a bit smoother. One area that's really taking off is smart home tech. Imagine controlling your garage door, thermostat, lights, and even your fridge, all from your phone or even through voice commands. With this human-centric AI, our homes are becoming more efficient and personalized. 5. Benefits and challenges of AI. Now, AI isn't all smooth sailing. It has its transformative ideas, but also its challenges. Let's look at some of the pros and cons. Benefits. AI can process huge amounts of data quickly. This means faster medical diagnoses, more accurate weather forecasts, and safer self-driving cars. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing us up to be more creative and focus on self-improvement. Challenges. One big issue is bias. AI learns from data, and if the data is biased, the AI will be too. Imagine an AI that hires people but has only learned from biased hiring practices. It could make unfair choices. There's also the fear of job displacement. AI might take over some jobs, especially those that are repetitive. But on the flip side, it can also create new jobs and roles that we can't even imagine yet. 6. The future of AI. So, what does the future hold for AI? The truth is, we're just scratching the surface. Right now, AI is about making our lives easier and more efficient. But in the future, we might see even more advanced uses. AI could help solve massive global problems, like improving access to healthcare, advancing environmental protection, and creating more sustainable cities. There's a lot of potential here, and as technology advances, we're bound to see AI continue to evolve. And if you're curious about how AI can make life better for you at home, don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started on this journey to explore practical, powerful uses of AI to upgrade your life. 7. Conclusion. So now that we've uncovered the basics of AI, you know it's more than just sci-fi robots or distant dreams. It's here, working in our everyday lives, helping us be more efficient, productive, and informed.